Okay, so this is how to draw a 2-minute heart. So you're going to start by drawing a open-topped strawberry. Try to make this larger. It's easier to draw at first. Then you're going to draw an X. So I'm going to draw on the diagonal across a big broad X, taking it down towards the end of my strawberry. The second one I'm going to drop in. I'm going to do it underneath the first. And there's my X. Now for the hard part, we're going to do the loop and swoop. So you're going to go over the top for your loop. Stop about here and leave yourself some space. Okay, and then we're going to go to the second X and we're going to create a T. So we've done open top strawberry to the X, loop and swoop, and we're going to finish with a T. Okay, once you finish that T, you're going to go underneath the loop to finish your vessel. Now we can take our looped vessel, which will be our aorta, drop it down behind, and we're about done with the major vessels. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to draw the septum. So we're going to go down the middle of the heart, draw the divider of the two main sides of the heart. We're going to come up and around. We're going to make the left wall thicker and the right wall thinner as it appears in a real heart. Then we're going to start adding the last two vessels. So we've got 1, 2, we're going to add the vena cava, which is the large vertical vessel on the right side. It's going to drop down behind the heart, come out the other side. We're going to draw the last pair of vessels, which would be the pulmonary veins, and they're going to enter on the left side of the heart there. And we're going to cap off our heart. All right, so now we're going to have to divide our heart into 4 chambers. So we need to add some valves, which are like our little doors, to close off our chambers. So we'll do that on the left and the right. And then there's another set of doors or valves to close off our chambers in the actual vessels. And so there we go. Now I like to do a quick check to see that I have all the parts, and I'm going to do that as I label. So remember that you're going to need to have 4 chambers, 4 vessels, 4 valves, an apex, and a septum. Okay, so if we count it up, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 chambers. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 vessels. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of valves, the apex of the heart, and the septum.